Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making sure power and proximity are handled. This is why charging matters. Once done, open the AirPods case next to your unlocked iPhone and keep the earbuds inside so the pairing signal emits. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled in settings. However, you do not need to go into Bluetooth yet. Instead, watch for the on-screen animation that appears automatically. This immediate action starts a fast, secure connection using Apple's simple setup, so act now and stay close to your phone. You tap Connect when the animation shows. This step exchanges identity and encryption keys so audio remains private. Once tapped, follow the prompts to name your AirPods and choose whether to enable Siri. This affects hands-free control and what data routes through the device. Make sure automatic ear detection is on so audio pauses when you remove an earbud. If prompted, allow Bluetooth permissions. Without them, features like device switching and call audio won't work reliably. You finish by testing. Play a song and adjust volume so you confirm left and right channels. Next, use Control Center to view battery widgets and switch audio between devices. This verifies iCloud device handoff. If audio drops or pairing never completed, reset the AirPods, close the lid, hold the case button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repeat pairing steps. This reset clears profiles, which fixes most stubborn connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.